for you to be able to really tolerate this Prada, you have to have an insert. I'm sorry, it's not clean, but yeah. So you put the insert here because what happens is that it gives you a boost of probably half an inch, because what happens is that this one is too big for this one is protruding out on my foot, and then when I put it in, it's, if there's no insert, this one is digging, this part is digging in on here. But because there's that's the hack that I did, the what's this one called, the insert, it gives you a lift a little bit, so this one is not digging in too much on the shoe. So now it's more comfortable to wear this rather than not having the inserts by itself. I used this one for the whole day when we went to South Coast Plaza, but the thing is, without the insert, and it was painful. To tell you the truth, it was so painful. I was not able to walk upright at the end of the day, and I was dragging my feet. But then the following week, I used the insert from my other shoes and then put it on here, and it gives us a lift like I was telling you, like here, and then it was more comfortable. And then yeah, so that's the only thing that you have to be mindful of in using these Prada shoes, this particular Prada shoes, because of that matter. And then actually we're twinning with my husband. That's his, this is mine. Take a picture of it, baby. There you go. So yeah, so his is comfortable, and then as you can see, this is the one, his bone is not protruding out, and then there's a space on here anyways. So that's what I'm talking about. Mine, it was too much. So yeah, so but overall, this one is a really fashionable, nice shoes that you can have. And then there you go. So yeah, so that's my honest opinion about this Prada driver shoes, boat shoes I should say. I love it. We love than his from the outlet. This one is only $200 for a Prada shoes. He bought his for about 260, 270, and then a month after I was encouraged to buy mine, and then we bought it for $200. So yeah, $200 for a Prada shoes. How's that, huh? There you go. I hope we learned something from this video, and I hope that it's a learning experience for me, and I'm sharing it with you guys, that I hope that we learned something from it, that it should not be luxury shoes should not be so uncomfortable, but it should be comfortable, and then by a simple hack we were able to make it more comfortable anyways. Thank you very much for watching.